Welcome back to Learning with a Difference News Headlines in English for 30th December. And first of all, national news. Former PM Manmohan Singh's ashes immersed at Astha Ghat in Delhi. Mahakumbh's messages unity, banishment of hate from society, PM Modi. Poor electoral participation of overseas Indian voters in Lok Sabha polls 2024. Election Commission data. Indian Army unveiled statue of Chhatrapati Shivaji at Eastern Ladakh's Pangong Tuso. NGT issued notice to authorities over suspected gas leak in Jaipur. Government cancelled auction of 11 critical mineral blocks. And now international news. Russian Foreign Minister Sergei Lavrov warned of decisive response to US missile threats. Australian PM announced emergency disaster payments for Grampians bushfire victims. US President elect Donald Trump defends H-1B visa program for highly skilled foreign workers. Tragic plane crashed at Muan International Airport in South Korea. Now some sports news. ICC Awards 2024, Arshdeep Singh and Smriti Mandhana nominated for Cricketer of the Year award. Conero Humpy clinched second women's title at World Rapid and Blitz Championship in New York. 18th edition of CEC ICE Hockey Championship kicked off in Leh Ladakh. Vishwanathan Anand addressed Magnus Carlsen's withdrawal from World Rapid and Blitz Championship 2024. News related to business. Foreign investors pumped rupees 22,000 crore into Indian capital markets in December. All states and union territories expected to complete draft labor code rules by March. Private mines, CIL drive record coal output of 988 metric ton in 2024. Government. High employee attrition of 25% in private banks pose operational risk, RBI. And that's all in news. Thank you.